Hello, I'm Dr. Spinato. Together we want to introduce who we are, what we do, and how we can help you achieve a pain-free, active lifestyle. In 1984, I opened SDI Spine Center, and I've had the privilege of helping thousands of patients over the last 40 years.
Hi, my name is Dr. Chloe. We care for patients of all ages, from newborns to super seniors. Over the years, we've successfully helped people with a wide variety of conditions, including headaches and migraines, TMJ issues, neck and shoulder pain, low back and hip pain, sciatica, joint pain, and general muscle spasm and tension. A core part of our philosophy is that everything your body needs, your body knows. Our goal is to get to the root cause of compensation patterns.
Let's talk about why chiropractic care matters. Most patients' problems are caused by a prior trauma. When injuries occur, the tissue is compromised, the body alignment shifts, and the surrounding muscles and ligaments tighten to protect themselves. This reaction is called a compensation. You are now stiffer and weaker and less strong and flexible. Compensations will last a lifetime until the cause is corrected. Unfortunately, most of the patients we see have not been thoroughly evaluated and treated. The original injury could have happened months and sometimes even years prior. It could have been caused by a childhood fall, a sports injury, a motor vehicle collision, and even an adult slip and fall. The goal of your treatment is to restore proper body alignment and full range of motion using both manual and instrument adjustments. This requires an integrative approach of working with the bones, the ligaments, the muscles, and the nerves of the body.
What makes our office different is that we focus on the whole body. Every patient's history is unique, so every chiropractic visit is tailored to what your body needs at that moment. We adjust from head to toe, including extremities, so your entire structure is supported. We challenge the body, and we use different positions and methods to ensure that each adjustment is precise and effective. And we never twist the neck during an adjustment. Why does this matter? Because our goal is to recalibrate multiple sites of the body and address the cause, not just the effect. We do not do the same adjustment over and over again because the body is dynamic and patterns in the body change. Ultimately, we are working with the nervous system, the body's master control center. When communication from the brain to the body is restored, you heal better, you move better, and function the way you were designed to.
Here at SDI Spine Center, our goal is for you to be a well-informed patient. We want to teach and treat you. We encourage you to ask questions to understand your personal care plan. Remember, don't settle for less. Be the best version of you. Thank you for being part of our practice, and we look forward to seeing you soon.